doing? What are you doing?
That's an oarfish. Holy shit, that's they've almost never been seen live.
They live a mile deep.
Let's come up here to die.
Oh,
Go back in the water. See if they'll go.
You got
wow.
photos? Hold on, I'm putting them in the... Heather, this is amazing. This is
Yeah, that is
the
amazing.
smallest one I've ever seen.
Got hurt or something.
May not want to die.
Maybe he smelled the fish blood or something.
The light on.
God, that thing was cool.
Nobody's gonna believe this. Nobody's gonna believe it.
I got a video.
Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. It's wild.
First one I saw